The following message has been transmitted to the Texas Department of Public Safety. The National Weather Service in Dallas, Texas has issued a tornado warning for Frisco, Texas until Wednesday, April 12. On Wednesday, March 29, the NWS Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Richardson and will move north to Frisco at 32 miles per hour. In addition, at Plano, a rotating wall cloud was reported by train spotters at Friday, March 31 with this storm. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong-size hail as well. Locations impacted include Plano, Frisco, McKinney, Dallas, Richardson, Arlington, Irving, Houston, San Antonio, Austin, Corpus Christi, Waco, El Paso, Fort Worth, Lubbock, Amarillo, Abilene, Katy, Killeen, New Braunfels, Buda, Bastrop, Seguin, Texarkana, and Pasadena. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows, if in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter. And protect yourself from flying debris.